I'm John McLemore with Masterbuilt, and it's time to fry a turkey. With the Butterball indoor electric turkey fryer, we're going to show you how to safely and easily fry the best tasting turkey you've ever had. To get started, you always want to make sure that your drain valve is in the off position and the safety cap is always on. And now it's time to pour in the oil. Masterbuilt has made this product convenient with a max min fill line, taking all of the guesswork out of how much oil or water you need. Now our oil is in to the max fill line. We simply mount the magnetic cord and turn the temperature gauge to 375 degrees. Now it's time to give our turkey a warm water bath. Always use a completely thawed turkey when frying. You want to take some paper towels and completely pat it dry. Now it's time to inject the turkey. The secret is 1 ounce per pound. You want to make sure that you get a lot of areas. Now we've got it injected, and it's time to put the seasoning on the entire turkey. Quick tip. Take your basket and lower it into the oil to give it a nice coating so that the turkey doesn't stick. I've already done that to this basket. Now we're going to place the turkey inside. I'm going to give my hands a quick wash, and we're going to lower this turkey into the fryer. Now it's time to fry this turkey. We're going to lower it into the oil. Our temperature is set at 375 degrees. Our light indicates it's ready to go in. Lower your turkey into the oil slowly. You can fry up to a 20-pound turkey. We're going to fry a 14-pound turkey in 56 minutes. 56 minutes is up. Simply hook it with the patented drain clips. That is a good-looking turkey. You might have been skeptical. In fact, you might have even been scared when you think about frying a turkey. But as you can see, we've made this not only easy, but we've made it safe. And your results are this dadgum good.